eKYC, know your customer. It's a very important factor that most of these banking and financial institutions need to verify the true details of a customer. But in today's world, the scamsters have found a lot of ways to mislead the government on this KYC. So earlier KYC was done based upon OTP or some documentation, but now most of the companies wanted to have the video eKYC where they can see that person in front and then only verify for registration or for eKYC. Now, how to integrate such a functionality in your project? A lot of you have been participating in multiple hackathons in which you need to build something of this sort, a credential where you can verify the person's detail using eKYC, and how you can integrate that video feature inside it. So rather than you coding something from scratch, I got something that you can use in your project and can implement this video eKYC very easy using Stringee. So I have been using Stringee from past some time. I met the team in Bangalore at Bangalore Tech Summit, and after that I came home and understood the entire concept, and I am here to show you how this works and how can it be useful for your projects going forward. Now let's go and see what their website looks like and how you can implement the same. So as you can see, we are there on their website. Here you can see multiple things. They have multiple products known as Stringee Call API, Programmable Contact Center API, SMS API, and multiple other things. There are multiple customer stories also for people who have already used their product. You can see documentation also, use cases also, pricing and download. Let's see if we can register. You can register, sign up using Google or using a Microsoft account. I am using my Google account to sign up. So here, maybe once you give your phone number, you can see that you have 30 days of free trial left for them, and you can use their APIs. Now we click on the create new project. Here you can see on the left pane you have projects, numbers, push notifications, tools. You can explore through them how to use it, and you can click on new project. You can give the name as demo 1. Let's say I'll be creating one project for you. So here you'll be getting API key and API secret key that we'll be using in our project, right? So this is the answer URL that you have. We'll be using. Also, there's a detailed documentation for you. If you're stuck at any point of time, there is a detailed documentation where you can check out step by step on how to implement. First step is to prepare, then to add Stringee SDK, connect with the Stringee server, and you have all the steps how to make a call. So we'll see now how we'll be implementing this using our own functionality, and I'll help connect with one of my friends and show you how this actually works. Now the next step is to clone the repository, and you can see how we'll clone it. So this repository contains multiple products and implementations, which can easily get started with the Stringee API. So I've cloned this and I've been using the live server to serve my websites. So we're going to get started. As you can see, the one-on-one call sample, and we are going to select, we have two clients, which is video call 1 and video call 2. So I've selected video call 1, login as user 1. But in order to get the access token, we move on to the Stringee tools in the dashboard here. Click on generate a token, select the demo app, select the client authentication type, that's client authentication, and we are going to use the user ID, right? So you can make user 1, and 24 hours you can take as the expiration time. Now we generate a token, and this is the token that we're going to use while actually processing this video call. We'll paste the token here and we'll log in. Now we are logged in, as you can see, as user 1, and I'll share this token with login user 2 who can log in there. So now we're putting the token 2 for video call, and we'll try to log in and see if I can connect with one of my friends on video call. So I'm clicking on login. If I click on video call, I think so. Yeah. Hi Adarsh. So yeah, this is how it works, and I hope it is clear and simple on how you can use this API for making video calls with anyone. You can integrate in any of your projects. So this is not it. Stringee also supports various AI technologies like OCR, face matching, and liveness detection. This can significantly enhance the security and authentication of our ID card systems. So I hope the demo was clear, and you can now use it on your own PCs in your own projects, and you can impress the interviewer, you can impress somebody who is judging your project in a hackathon, or you're building something for your own. You can definitely use that. Let me know in the comments below if you have any doubts. I'll be more than happy to answer. Go check out now You can find the link in my description where you can go and explore Stringee's website, try starting a new project, building using their API. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. This was all for this particular video. Thank you so much. See you in some other video. Till then, all the best, good luck, and bye.